Hi, boys and girls. Please put your name at the top of your paper. Okay, so this week we are going to be counting numbers from 11 to 20. So we are going to count the animals in the box, and then we are going to draw a line to match it with the number on the side. So what I would like you to do is count the kangaroos that you see. And we're going to count these together. And remember, I make a little mark so I know I've counted that one. So let's count the kangaroos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I'm going to draw a line from the 14 to the kangaroos. Okay? And next we're going to do the dolphins. So let's count the dolphins. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we are going to go from 11 to the dolphins. Okay. Now let's count the hippos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So let's connect the line from the 15 to the hippos. Okay. Now we're going to do the giraffes. Let's do the giraffes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we connect 13 to the giraffes, or zebras actually. I'm sorry, those are zebras. Silly Mrs. Stewart. Okay. Now the last number that we have left is 12, and we need to count the lions to make sure that there's still 12 lions. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Excellent. So there are 12, so we can match 12 to the lions. Good job on this side, boys and girls. Let's turn over on the back. Now, this is what we're going to do is we're going to have a number that we start counting on, and we are going to start with that number and count all the way along the boxes. So the first one starts with the number 1, because our goal is to be able to count from 1 to 20 without making any mistakes. So we start on 1. What comes after 1? 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, then we have 7 and 8. Good. On the next monster, we're not starting on 1. What are we starting on? Yeah, we're starting on 6. So we go 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 11 is already done for us. 12 and 13. Good. Next we're going to be starting on 11. So what comes after 11? We have 12. Next is 13. Then we have 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Good. Okay, on the next one, I want you to push pause on the video and do 7 to 14 and see if you can count that far without, let's see just how far you can get on your own. So go ahead and push pause and push play when you're finished. Okay, so let's see if you got it. We start on 7, then what comes next? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Very good. Okay, so we're going to do the last one. I want you to do the same thing. I want you to push pause and try it on your own, and when you have finished it, push play. Okay, so after 13 comes 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. All right, good job, boys and girls. You did great today. Go ahead and turn this into your teacher and do what she would have you do next.